Okay guys, so back here, I just wanted to show you all something real quick. Mostly because I'm impatient and I was trying to figure out whether or not this was working. So, you can see that multimeter. I got it set to 20 volts. So, just show you here. You probably can't see that. Maybe you can. I'll turn the camera just a little bit. Try to get the glare off of it. Alright, so that battery that I put on the quick charger there. Let's connect this here. Here. So we got it up to 11.2. It's dropped down a little bit. When I just checked it, it was 11.4. Now the other one, the bad one in the back, that's what I was talking about, 5.0. So I know that it worked. So now what I'm going to do is same thing I did for the other one. I'm going to connect this little quick charger up to it. It's going to charge it for 6-volt setting. I'll get it up to 99. Check the voltage to see if it stops it at 6 or if it actually stops it at 12. I wasn't sure what was happening. The other thing, I'm doing this out in the sun. Just figured I'd throw this out there. Just make sure you keep your batteries covered. You don't want them to get too hot. So that's why I got just a battery compartment lid back over it. That's all we need to do is melt some batteries. But again, I'm going to do the same thing I did for the first one on battery 3, and I'll post a follow-up video for this as well.